Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by protecting your data. Backup documents, pictures, and any license keys. Once done, download the Kali Linux ISO and check its checksum to ensure integrity. Make a bootable USB with a tool like Rufus, selecting the correct partition scheme. Make sure to disable Secure Boot in BIOS if your USB won't boot. You're doing these steps now so nothing blocks installation. They reduce mistakes and let you proceed without guessing about hardware or missing files. Boot the machine from the USB. Choose Installer unless you want to test live first. During partitioning, choose Guided if replacing Windows entirely, or Manual to shrink Windows and create ext4 and swap partitions for dual boot. Allocate space deliberately, root, home, and swap. Set time zone, keyboard, username, and a strong password. This is your admin account. When prompted, install the Grub bootloader to the primary disk so your system can start Kali. Make sure package installation completes without errors. After installation, reboot and remove the USB. You should land at Grub showing Kali and Windows if you kept it. Once booted, update packages with sudo apt update and sudo apt full upgrade to get the latest fixes. Install guest additions or drivers for hardware as needed. If the system doesn't boot, check BIOS boot order and secure boot. If Grub is missing, boot a live USB and run grub install and update Grub. One key tip: keep your backups. Restoring files is faster than troubleshooting complex boot issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.